I keep on getting tagged in the Sushi Rice Negroni video that Punch did a little while ago, and people keep on asking me if it's an actual thing, so today we are gonna find out. I mean, my sense says that it is an actual thing, but I haven't tasted it, so let's figure it out. So first thing we're gonna do is grab a mixing glass here, and we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of sushi rice. And then we're just gonna build the Negroni the way we would normally build it. 1 ounce of sweet vermouth of your choice, 1 ounce Campari, and 1 ounce gin. Let's crack our first cube, add in some additional ice here, and give it a stir. I am going to give it a little orange twist as well. All right, let's give it a taste. It tastes like a Negroni. It's not a gimmick with the rice. The starch of the rice kind of rounds the edges out from the Negroni. So Negronis, because they have a lot of botanical elements and because they have gin and Campari, they have a lot of sharp edges in its flavor, and this really rounds those sharp edges out. The problem with this cocktail and why it's not really for me is just because I like those sharp edges in my Negronis. So the technique works and it's completely sensible, and it makes a pretty good Negroni if you want something that's very, I don't know, smooth for lack of a better term. There it is, the Sushi Rice Negroni. Today's episode is sponsored by ourselves. If I've said it once, I've said it 100 times. One of the most important things about cocktails is their presentation. And your garnish game can really make or break that presentation. So Marius and I decided that we wanted to start making some dehydrated fruit to garnish cocktails. Not only are they beautiful to look at, they're pretty long lasting, and they're functional garnishes in that they have aroma that you can add to your cocktail without unbalancing the cocktail, but just adding a little je ne sais quoi to it. So obviously we're doing limes, we're doing lemons, we're doing oranges, we're doing blood oranges, and we're doing dragon fruit. All of our citrus are organic, they're sourced locally, and this is a really good way to help the channel. The garnishes are made in small batches, they're essentially made to order, and although we're starting with, the usual suspects, the really simple lemon, lime, orange, blood orange, we hope to expand into some less common, harder to get fruits, and then on top of that, we'll have some seasonal offerings for you guys. So if you guys have any suggestions for things you'd like to see, definitely let us know. So head to the shop, and no coupon code needed because they're amazingly priced and it helps the channel.